how to reset your Instagram password if you forgot it. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually reset your Instagram account's password if you happen to forget it. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your Instagram account's password if you forgot it, all you have to do is just go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. Once you launch the Instagram app on your device, you will basically see this type of interface, right? So you can just select login to another account. Now, since we do not remember our password, what we will do is we will just select this option called forgotten password right below the login button. So just tap on forgotten password link here, and it will ask you to simply enter your username. So just go ahead and enter the username or either the email address or sometimes even the phone number of your Instagram account. Now this is just done in order to actually check whether an account with this name actually exists or not. So once Instagram finds out that an account with this specific person's name exists, then it'll give you two options. One is you can reset it via email or reset it via SMS. So in my case, I think SMS is much more convenient for me. I'll just select get code or link via SMS. Then I'll just tap on continue. Then once I tap on continue, it's just going to ask me to enter the code. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds or sometimes even minutes to receive the code. And in case you do not receive the code, then you can just tap on the send code button again right over here at the bottom. It will send the code to your phone number again and over, or sometimes if it doesn't work out, you can simply select your email. Once you've actually confirmed and verified your OTP code like this, what you need to do is just make sure to go ahead and actually enter the new password that you want to change it. So as you can see, it says me to create a new password. Now I don't have to remember my old password at all. This is simply how you can reset your Instagram account password if you happen to forget it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.